Have you ever noticed that the quietest person in the room often gets the most respect? They don't talk much, they don't try to get attention, but somehow people listen when they speak. Why does this happen? Today, we will discover the psychology behind the hidden power of quiet people. First, they observe more. Quiet people spend less time talking and more time watching. They notice small details that others miss. They watch how people act. They listen carefully to conversations. This gives them a better understanding of people and situations. Knowledge is power, and quiet people collect a lot of it. Second, their silence creates respect. People often associate silence with confidence and wisdom. A quiet person can attract attention without saying many words. Third, silence creates mystery. People are naturally curious. When someone shares everything, there is no mystery. But quiet people keep some things to themselves. This makes others wonder about them. And what people cannot easily understand often becomes more interesting. Silence can make a person seem stronger and more confident. Fourth, they control their emotions better. Quiet people usually do not react to every problem. They stay calm in difficult situations. While others get angry or emotional, they take a moment to think. This emotional control is a powerful skill. Fifth, their words have more impact. If someone talks all day, people stop paying attention. But when a quiet person speaks, everyone listens. Why? Because it happens less often. Their words feel important, and important words leave a lasting impression. Conclusion: being quiet does not mean being weak. Sometimes the strongest person is the one who speaks the least. Real power is not always loud. Sometimes real power is silent. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and follow for more psychology facts.